Now we continue our setup. And first of all, I'm gonna rename this worksheet with the name data. And I call it calculations. I'm gonna set this all white. And I'm gonna copy this. I have something already available. The same way format. And this is a range formulas. Now I'm gonna define names. Sorry, manage name. Edit while here picked. This is while product picked, and this is while region picked. Okay, so I'm gonna do the following. Then, okay, this one is equal to this. Then I'm going to create here my table is going to get data from basically this table. Okay, before etc. I'm gonna type this. I'm gonna copy all the products. I have 6 products, so I'm gonna copy this. 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I'm gonna create this table of this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. And to type this here, this is products. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and then here I type with some space the regions. Okay, I can also copy this as follows. North, okay, I'm gonna double click this. You're going to do the following. I'm gonna copy the years until 2016. Okay. Insert this one has to go here. This is going to here. Center all this, and I'm going to center this as well. I'll format this, gonna format this. The values here we want to get, for example, here we have the year 2017, north. Okay, so now we want to show here the value of sales for t-shirt if so sum if there are different conditions. This column, I'm gonna sum this amount here in this region is equal to this, and if with the name of products I found this product, and if in the range of region I find this region, and here we are. So I'm gonna format this now, home, okay, this, so I'm going to this basically, okay, then I'm going to $C $3, then we have calculation, we have B is fixed, okay, so if you follow me, I'm going to select products in column B, which is fixed then, and the calculations column C, the region, I'm going to fix the row, which is 8. Okay, so I can drag this here and here. And here, unfortunately, I cannot do like this. Okay, I'm going to copy this formula. I'm gonna like this. And here we okay, we get this. Now we are going to do the following here as well. So I'm going to do another sum ifs. Again, I'm going to select the value of my table from here. Where again they here is basically this one in that range. Then I'm going to check for the region, in this region. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this format here. Again, here we're going to fix the column. So we're going to fix the row. That's great. But here we forget also to do the following. We need to select the products, has to be this product, okay? So now I'm gonna drag this, and this has to be fixed. Okay, so whenever I move, this is just here, only here, okay? The region is this one, okay? I'm gonna This one is, I fixed it here and I calculate for each region the amount for each product. Get the value for each year. Okay.